Hey there, if you're dealing with shingles, I know you're probably feeling a lot of discomfort right now. That burning pain and itchy rash can really disrupt your life. But what if I told you that there are ways to significantly improve how you feel in just 3 days? I'll show you some practical, science-backed remedies that can help you manage shingles symptoms quickly and get on the road to recovery fast. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The key to treating shingles fast is calming your body's inflammatory response and boosting your immune system. Start antiviral medication immediately. One of the most important things you need to do as soon as you suspect shingles is to contact your doctor and get antiviral medication. Medications like acyclovir, valacyclovir, or famciclovir can dramatically reduce the severity and duration of shingles if you take them within 72 hours of the rash appearing. These drugs don't cure shingles instantly, but they work by slowing the virus's spread, allowing your body to fight it off more effectively. Research shows that early treatment with these medications can reduce the pain and help your skin heal faster. So, if you haven't already, call your doctor now. Cool compresses for pain relief. Shingles can make your skin feel like it's burning, and a great way to soothe that is by using cool compresses. Simply soak a clean cloth in cool water, wring it out, and apply it to the rash. You can do this several times a day. Just be sure the water isn't too cold, as extreme cold can make your skin more sensitive. Cool compresses help ease inflammation and relieve itching. You can also turn to some natural, science-backed remedies to reduce the symptoms. Colloidal oatmeal baths, or a paste made from baking soda and water, can help soothe itching. You can also apply coconut oil, which has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. A study done by researchers in the Philippines found that the lauric acid in coconut oil can help fight viruses like herpes zoster, the virus that causes shingles. Licorice root cream is another fantastic remedy. It contains glycyrrhizin, which is known for its antiviral properties. Studies have shown that licorice can inhibit the replication of viruses, including shingles. You can apply a topical licorice root cream to the affected area 2 to 3 times a day. It helps calm down the irritation and can support your skin in healing faster. Boost your immune system with vitamin C and L-lysine. To give your body the upper hand in fighting off the virus, take high doses of vitamin C. You can either use supplements or try powdered vitamin C, which you can dissolve in water and drink throughout the day. A study published by the Journal of Orthomolecular Medicine showed that intravenous vitamin C can dramatically reduce shingles symptoms. If you don't have access to 4 treatments, oral vitamin C can still help a lot. You should also consider taking L-lysine, an amino acid known for inhibiting viral replication. L-lysine can help reduce the severity of shingles outbreaks and speed up recovery. You can find L-lysine in most health food stores as a supplement. Manuka honey is another effective, natural remedy. It's been widely studied for its antiviral and wound-healing properties. Research out of New Zealand has shown that Manuka honey can reduce pain, heal wounds, and fight infections. You can apply a thin layer of Manuka honey directly to the blisters. It not only soothes the skin but also promotes faster healing. Now, what you put into your body is just as important as what you put on it. Eating anti-inflammatory foods can help your body fight the virus. Foods rich in antioxidants, like leafy greens, berries, and turmeric, can reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Make sure to avoid foods that can trigger inflammation, like processed sugars and fried foods. Drink plenty of water and herbal teas to stay hydrated, which will also support your body in healing. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of rest. Stress is one of the biggest triggers of shingles, so it's essential to get enough sleep and avoid stressful activities as much as possible. Give your body time to heal by resting in a comfortable, quiet environment. Consider doing some deep breathing exercises or gentle meditation to help your body relax and recover. So, let's recap. Start by getting antiviral medication from your doctor ASAP, use cool compresses to ease the pain, apply natural remedies like coconut oil, licorice root cream, and Manuka honey, boost your immune system with vitamin C and L-lysine, and eat anti-inflammatory foods while getting plenty of rest. These steps can really help you feel better fast, and many people see significant improvements within just 3 days of starting this routine. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future health tips. Also, share this video with someone you think might benefit from it, and leave a comment below if you've tried any of these remedies or have questions. We're always happy to help.